a tree. From the word we find the truth. Let's go learn it, me and you.
Waste time.
Gone clean. Gone clean. Gone clean. Unclean. 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 And the swine, he's unclean to you. Shark. Unclean. Oh yeah. Duck. Listen. Duck. Unclean. Duck. Let's one on the pelican and the beer eagle. Ducks are in this unclean bird group. Clean or unclean, we want to know. From the Bible, let it show. Some we eat, some we don't. If God says no, then we won't. Clean or unclean, we want to know. From the Bible, let it show. Some we eat, some we don't. If God says no, then we won't. Hit up. Unclean. 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 Yes. Unclean. 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 Of all clean birds, ye shall eat. Chicken is a clean bird. Goat, ants. Clean. These are the beasts which ye shall eat: the ox, the sheep, and the goat.